Hey guys, it's Brian back again with another unboxing. And today I have something a little different. It is a wireless charger for the pretty much any MagSafe phone. Works for iPhone, works for Samsung, as long as it's got MagSafe. But this is a desktop 3-in-1 electric magnetic wireless charger that offers 15 watts of power. This is a really cool little compact 3-in-1 charger with a little twist. So I actually got this from Chubby Cable, and if you haven't heard of them, it's a really cool company out of China that sells interesting things, but their main claim to fame is cables, obviously. And that's where I got this wonderful cable here. It comes with the strap and USB-C, and I believe this one, it offers up to 120. They have really great quality cables, all different colors, all different styles. They have some that even light up, so they're really cool. I'll do a more in-depth review as far as the company and some of the different cables and whatnot. But today we're going to focus on this. So I guess let's just get into it. Use my jerry rig everything knife here, and let's see what's in the box. It's not a flashy packaging. It's a pretty basic packaging, but as long as the insides, that's what matters. So it looks like we get some paperwork, a user manual, we get the charger itself in a little, like a plastic neoprene type bag. Let's see what else we got in here. Looks like we got some qualified certificate, past QC number 12, and we got looks like we got a cable in here. Whereabouts? USB-C to USB-C. So that's pretty good, and that's it. That's everything in the box. So let's see what we've got here. Let's read a little bit about the product. It's a 3-in-1 electric rotating charger. It can wirelessly charge 3 devices, mobile phones, headphones, and watches at the same time with one power line. That's pretty much it. All right, so let's look at the device itself. Okay, that's pretty cool. It's got these cool little lines on the side. It's just a small little squared box. Pretty cool little design. One charging slot. To get it, you push in and it pops out. Is that not cool? So that is for the watch. On the other side, that is for the buds, and then the top is for the phone. So let's get the peeling off. There we go. There's the top. It's a nice clean design. And I'm really excited to see this thing in action. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug it in. And you know what? I'm going to use my Chubby Cable plug. Let's plug it into this. USB-C plug port is in the back. When it plugs in, it lights up. I guess you saw the green light there. And so now it's for the twist. Once you get this thing on here, and there you go. It rotates. That is so cool. So I guess if I want it like this, then when I put it on, I can put it on. So you put it on facing this way, and then you hit the button. That is so cool. I mean, it's a little gimmicky, I guess, but you know, when you're talking about a wireless charger for your phone or something, as long as it charges, then you need something to set it apart from the rest. And for me, I think that's pretty cool. Just put it on there, tap the little button, and there it goes. And then I can put it on there sideways, tap the button, and it'll just rotate it around sideways. That is so cool. Okay, so get it on, get it rotated, and let's eject. And plug in the buds. There they go, charging right up. So yeah, it does everything I need it to do, and it looks cool, aluminum. But you know, anytime you get anything with moving parts, you always worry about, well, is it gonna break on me? And yeah, that's a possibility. I don't know. I'm gonna use it for a couple weeks, and I might do a little more detailed discussion about it and see how I like it, how I don't, what I do, what I don't. But I've had several wireless charging units before, and they're all the same pretty much, as long as you Amazon and Chubby Cable. When I bought it on Chubby Cable, it was on sale for $43. Looks like it's that price on Amazon as well. That's pretty much it. Thanks guys for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Anytime somebody takes the time out of their day to watch my video, it makes me very happy, because I do it for the joy. I don't have a really big channel, don't have a lot of followers. Might be a lot of people see this video, but it brings me a lot of joy and happiness to make them. So I love tech. I love trying out new things. So if I can share that joy with you guys, in all the better. So I like when somebody steps out there and tries something different. I like it when your iPhone, with your phones, like you got these candy bar phones now that every year after year, like the tech gets better and this, that, and the other, but the phones, you know, take a risk, put something out there that's different, and see if there's a market for it. I think having a cool little charger like this at Twist, it's just a neat little thing. So thanks again. I appreciate you guys for watching my video, especially if you made it to the end. It really means a lot to me.